Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into something super useful, how to adjust the minimum checkout amount on Temu, making your shopping experience smoother and more personalized. Whether you're a first time user or a seasoned shopper, this guide is perfect for you. Let's get started. First, let's understand what the minimum checkout amount is and why you might want to change it. On Temu, the minimum checkout amount is the smallest total cost of products you need in your cart before you can complete your purchase. Adjusting this setting can be useful for managing your budget or planning larger purchases. Unfortunately, Temu does not allow you to change the minimum checkout amount directly through the settings, but I'll show you a few strategies to work around this. Strategy 1. Combine orders. One effective method is to combine smaller items into a single order to meet the minimum requirement. Start by adding your desired items to your cart. Once you've selected an item, continue shopping for small add-ons or essentials until you reach the required minimum. Strategy 2. Pre-planning your shopping. Another great tactic is to pre-plan your purchase. Use the digital node or shopping app to list items you'll eventually need and batch them into a single purchase. Strategy 3. Utilizing wish list. Use the wish list features while browsing. Add items you're interested into your wish list. Once you have enough items to meet the minimum checkout requirement, move them from your wish list to your cart and proceed to checkout. Bonus tip. Check for offers and coupons. Keep an eye on special offers and coupons. Sometimes Temu offers promotions that lowers the minimum checkout amount or provide discounts that make it easier to reach. Make sure to apply any available coupons before completing your process. And that's it for today's guide on how to navigate the minimum checkout amount on Temu.